I'm trying to test the LCD that I received of the Lumia 5G 20, and this is the digitizer because I received about this is the same way produced digitizers. This is for Z3 Xperia, and when I receive it, nothing work because this is not the same synaptic chip. So now I will connect. This is the screen connector. It is connected. I will power on the phone. It have to work. Okay. So I think it work fine. It is booting. It is booting again, and I will use the digitizer of the phone. So I will try to click here. I can't turn off. I just remember the digitizer is connected to the other LCD. I have to plug the new one. So I will test the digitizer to see if it works. Else I will request some the fund. I will cut. It is already opened. Okay, so I will take this apart. I will turn off. You can notice some damage on the LCD. Maybe it is from a used one. So now, after plugging the you can see I will close it now. Everything is plugged. I will turn on the phone. It is watching. So now I will wait and cut the video for some second. Pause. The touch screen is not working. I will try again. Nothing work. I say it don't work. I need refund. Okay. And I lost a lot of money in this thing and time. There is a Sony Z3 that doesn't work. I made a mistake. I will say mistake because when I hit dispute, I hit it for. I mean I push the dispute button to say this is a plastic. Listen, this is a plastic. So I request the half of the price as a refund. But after 1 month or 2 months, I tested this digitizer for Sony Xperia Z3, and it doesn't work. I lost a lot of money. Not a lot of money, but the half of the price for 5 piece. I lost this money just because this is not OEM manufactured like original equipment. So I will ask refund for the digitizer and confirm the goods received for the LCD. Beware of AliExpress.